again we covered the two type of modals, can and could. In today's video, we are going to discuss another type of modal, and that is will. So in this video, we are going to understand the usage of will in different form. So the first way in which will is used, that when will is used as a second and third person. When will is used in second and third person, it always represents a future tense or the future action that will take place. But when will is used for the first person, it always indicates a threat, a warning. It can also indicate a promise or a determination. Now, example of the usage of this type of will can be, he will return tomorrow. Now this is a simple past tense that he will return tomorrow. वो कल वापस आएगा. Example of will for the first person is, I will not spare you. Now here, will over here is a threat, or will over here is a warning. Another example is, I will pay you tomorrow. Now over here, will is for the first person and I will pay you tomorrow. It is like a promise, right? So this sentence indicates promise made by the first person. I will pay you tomorrow. He is giving his word or she is giving her word that she will pay definitely by tomorrow. So this was a usage of will in the first place. The second place where will is used is for making some kind of instruction, for giving some kind of instruction or making some command. So will is again used for command, or it can be used for giving any type of instructions, like the students will come in formal dress. Now here the authority or any person is commanding or instructing that the students will come in formal dress. Another example can be, the employees will meet me in the office. Now as the instructor, I say that you will meet me in the office. Then I am giving a command that I want you in my office, right? So this is the usage of will as command or instruction. So the third place where will can be used is for asking questions. Like, example can be, will you marry me? Now, I am asking someone to marry me. So that is a question, right? An interrogative sentence So will is used for interrogation as well. It is used for asking questions. Will you marry me? Another example can be, will you attend the party tomorrow? Again, I'm asking the question, I'm interrogating. So the usage of will can also be for asking questions. Now the fourth place where will can be used is for making any kind of probabilities or a negative will is used for refusal. If I want to refuse, I can make use of negative will, and will can be used for probability, like it will rain tomorrow. Now I am not God that if I say that it will rain tomorrow, it is definitely going to rain. It is all about the forecast, right? So I am predicting that it might rain tomorrow, so I say it will rain tomorrow. Again, there is some kind of probability that it will rain, but the probability can also arise when it does not rain. And the usage of will for my refusal can be, I will not lend you my dress. Now will not, over here I am refusing to give my dress to any person, so will not is also used as won't. I won't lend you my dress. So it is a negative sentence, and negative sentence over here indicates refusal, that I will not give my dress to the person. Now the last place where will can be used is that it is used for making any kind of request by using the word won't. Won't over here is will plus not, and it is used for making request by interrogating someone. For example, won't you like to have some coffee? Now this in Hindi means, क्या तुम कॉफी पीना पसंद नहीं करोगे? But then I am also making a request through asking a question using won't, right? But my ultimate motive is that I want to invite the person to have a coffee or have a cup of coffee with me. Therefore, I am asking the person, won't you like to have some coffee? So, in this video, we covered about one type of modal, that is will. And will can be used in 5 forms. First is that it can be used with the second and the third person and indicates a simple future tense or a future sentence. The first person usage with will always determines some kind of threat, warning, a request, or a determination, right? Then the second type was that you make some kind of request. Third type is you ask questions. Fourth place where will can be used is for making some kind of probabilities or for a simple refusal by making use of will along with not. And the last type is when you make some kind of request.